Joanna, 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 Joanna.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is exciting. I am finally doing an updated skincare routine for you all. It is highly requested. Oftentimes, I am always getting questions on my Instagram on how I take off my makeup after a long day. This is my full skincare routine because I am wearing makeup, because when I do not wear makeup, it's a little shorter, but because this is my makeup face, I'm gonna be doing a full get ready or unready, get unready with me, get unready with me. So first things first, I'm gonna swap out this and put on my caboodle cadoodle. Now that my hair is pulled back with my little headband, I purchased this from Claire's, by the way. It's buy 3 for 3, so you can get 3 for 3. So first thing I do when I'm taking off my makeup is I take off my lashes just like this. And I always put my lashes back in their case. I'm not one of those people that just leaves lashes just like lying around. Like, I hate when people just do that, but I literally just take off my lashes. I always put them back in the cases, and because it lets me know which lash style this is, so I put them always back in the case. After I take off the lashes, I wash my hands because I don't like to touch my dirty hands on my face whenever I'm doing my face. That's a good tip when you're doing your makeup as well. Wash your hands before you do your makeup so you don't get dirt onto your face. Okay, I'm just gonna dry my hands real quick. Yeah, no. So I'm gonna take out my contacts. So my contacts that I'm having, and I use this BioTrue eye contact solution. It's like nothing special, just some solution. Let's take them out like this. So to take off my makeup, I use the Target brand of the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, because I don't really like the Neutrogena ones because they tend to burn my eyes for some reason, but these don't. So I always get the Target brand. Not only do I use the wipe, I also use some 3-in-1 micellar cleansing water. And basically, yeah, I put it all over my wipe like this. I use it to take off my face. Pinch off the mascara. Alright, so that one wipe took off all of that beautiful makeup. I'm running out of things. After that is done, it is very important that you cleanse your skin. So the cleanser that I've been using forever, the only cleanser that gets my skin clean and doesn't break me out. I don't get any bumps the next day, doesn't do any weird stuff. So this is the cleanser I use. A simple kind of skin moisturizing facial wash. Also, when I'm washing my face and I'm drying my face, I only use paper towels on my face. I don't use a rag or anything because rags hold germs and bacteria, so I always keep like a paper towel on the side for when I'm done. I can pat my face dry and dispose of it. So paper towels are key. Now that my face is washed, this is time because I did wear makeup today. I want to get deep cleansing. I do this actually once a week, not every time I wear makeup. It's the Indian Healing Clay Mask. I've been using this for like 3 years now, and honestly this is the best product I've ever used on my face. Every time I have a breakout or anything, I use this on my face, and then the next day it's gone. It helps with discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and evens out your skin tone, and it's just amazing. You can mix it with water or apple cider vinegar. I do water because I don't like apple cider vinegar like on my skin because I think it's a little too harsh, and I hate the smell. I don't want it by my nose for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this together, y'all, and apply this on my face. It's basically what I do is I take it in the lid of the jar, I mix it together, this nice concoction. This is a really good, this is a really good formula that I made here, and I'm using an e.l.f. professional foundation brush, but I use this to apply my masks. And it is a synthetic hairbrush, which is really good for like liquid products. So after I apply my mask, I set a timer for 15 minutes. I usually shower when I have my mask on, so it takes some time, or I might just be on my phone, on Twitter, checking my social media. Yeah, I know. Okay, so the timer just went off. And I'm gonna be taking off my mask. It's cracky and just ready to go. After you take off all the makeup, the mask, I usually dermaplane the hairs off my face. So I'm just gonna touch up a little bit. I just take a razor and just get off some excess hair. After I get all those excess hairs and stuff, I use my honey toner. This is my Honey Manuku toner. I've been using this recently and I love her. She's super moisturizing but also a toner as well. I take it on some cotton pads. Just go along my whole face. Alright, after I tone, I use my e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer. I do 3 pumps of this. I apply this all over my face and just work it in. It's my favorite moisturizer because it smells really good and it's really good for the skin, just super sensitive, and it's just so nice. It always keeps me glowing throughout the day, but it's not greasy at all either. After that, I take the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. Do a little goes a long way, just do that. And do this. Put it under my eyes. Looking up, be super gentle around this area because the skin is super thin. I rub it on top of my eyelid and I apply Vaseline, and then I finish with some rose water by Mario Badescu. Okay guys, that's all for my skincare routine. That's how I get ready for bed. I took off all my makeup. My skin feels super hydrated and super fresh. This is the routine that works best for me. So all these products, I think you can find all of them at the drugstore except for the rose water spray. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. All these products I'll be linking down below, so don't forget to check those out. And hi, love you.